Okay, look at these sweet boys. It's the boys' turn now. Look at these fine boys. Yes. And the black boy. Right there in the middle of all these yellows. Okay, so this is what we've got going on. Notice the black male is reserved. And we have 5 yellows. The first 2 picks are reserved. We have 3 of the yellows have the black nose, and 2 have the brown, and naturally the 2 with the brown are right here. Got another black nose, and then tucked way under here. There. There. Yes, let's look at your eyes. Oh, such a yawn. I know, it is so tiring getting puppy videos. I know. I'm not your mama though, am I? Not quite 3 weeks old. They'll be 3 weeks on Saturday. And so they haven't started to eat yet. They don't have teeth. They eat puppy food. They obviously want to chew on things, and they are up walking around, making little barking and growling noises now. I'm not mom. No, I'm not, buddy. And next week we'll probably start some soaked puppy food. Lab puppies usually just go right for that. Now let's get some faces up here. Oh yes. Now he has a black nose, but he's probably going to be a classic type yellow, whereas sure, it's a little bit hard to tell. This guy right here seems a little bit lighter in color, more like Haas. They have their chocolate mama, so some chocolate coloring is in there. And that makes them a little more classic yellow, which I think the classic yellow lab is beautiful. How many movies have been made about classic yellow labs? I can think of a few right now. But anyway, there's... I see you, buddy. You're so cute. I know it. I know it. You are. Come here, mister. Quit hiding your face in there. Get your face up here. Yeah. All right, let's see these black nose boys. Yes. Yes, we have 3. As you can kind of see in this lighting anyway, and this can change, but that this guy is a little bit lighter than this guy. He has more of the classic yellow with like the little angel wing markings, whereas their dad is just is white, very light. He has no angel wings or anything like that, but we'll see. They're a little bit young to tell yet. Things can change. But we definitely have 3 black nose yellows, 2 brown nose. Here are the other 2 black noses. Look at those nice black noses. And the black noses, their eyes are very dark, almost black. The brown noses, their eyeliner and their eyes are brown. Their eyes are a golden brown, but they usually have a brown eyeliner that matches their nose. Our favorite boy, Hunter, is a brown nose, and we love him. Oh, I know. You're just a get-goer, aren't you? I think it's time for lunch. This guy doesn't think so. He just wants to snuggle in. Go to sleep. It's nap time, man. They do sleep so much at this age. But these are my boys. So you can see how much they've grown since my last video. They're much more exciting now. Not just sleeping newborns. They actually are doing things. They move around a little bit, walk on all 4s now, and just little tiny barks and growls. And the other night I have a monitor in my bedroom, and an ambulance went by. Of course, all my dogs have to howl at the ambulance, but you could hear little tiny puppy howls at the same time. Cutest thing. Anyway, these are my boys. They're just sweet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are.